So today we have a Mercedes W204 2-liter 2.2 diesel. We have a full coat, two full coats EGR valve. It's this bad boy, and they get really stuck, so I'm going to show you how to get them out. You take out two bolts. You can see it here, already loosened it. Make sure the engine is warm. Always easier to get it out when the engine is hot or warm. Just pay attention not to burn yourself, of course. Then, if you can, turn it by hand, because this is really tight. You can move the whole car just by pulling on the valve. It's not going anywhere. So if you can, turn it by hand. This one I already turned it a bit, so it's kind of almost yeah, look, it's moving, but it's not moving freely. If you cannot do that, what you do is you take a punch, take a hammer. Be careful not to damage the parts. Then put it on the side here and just tap it. Make your angle as good as possible and tap it. And you see it moves. Just enough that you have the lip over the other parts of where it lives. This is the new valve, DRY, port number if you need it. This is the box. This is yeah, commonly ordered in Belgium. If you need port numbers, just comment or send me an email. I can look it up for you. So now I have a little trick to get it out, because to pull it out, it's hard. I've done it, it's hard. The little trick is this bad boy. A cheap dent puller for the plastic caps. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. You put plastic caps in there and then you can pull dents with the slide hammer. But you can also take this off, and this will work for injectors, other stuff that you need to pull out full of carbon and stuff. Don't use the chemicals, and you only make a mess. If you have a bigger one, use a bigger one, but no, right now I'm using this one. Put on a nut, just enough thread so you cannot damage anything. Voila. And now, easy cheesy. Don't know if you can see it. I think you can. Just put the lip. You put the washer just behind the lip, and easy cheesy. This is one side coming, then make sure it's coming out properly. Then the other side. Shit, that was my magnet. The other side, don't damage the cables, of course. This side again. And oh, it's coming out. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. See, it's pretty stuck in there. Yep. And it's coming out rather nice. And oh, look, we can turn it. We can turn it. And there it is. There it is. The bad boy. Yeah. So what was happening? The engine was almost stalling. No power whatsoever. If you put down your foot on the gas, you could get to 3000 RPM in like 5 minutes. So I managed to get it inside, because yeah, to push it was pretty hard. And you can see the valve is stuck. So only exhausts will come into the intake system, and you cannot run your car on exhaust. It's already compressed gas. There is no air almost inside the gas, so that's why your car stalls. You get fault codes, and this is the problem. And as you can see, we have some cleaning up to do, and we're gonna install a new one. But this was the super trick, and yeah, I'll show it in the second part how to install a new one and reset the code and stuff. But this was you need this, like 10-20 bucks, Amazon, eBay, buy it. Take care.